Hi everyone, this is Mr. Neil Reiter, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning into this latest video. We have a child who attended, I think it was 8 years old, with plasticine Play-Doh in the right ear. You can see that there. It's really large and it's almost fully occluding the ear canal. They've been struggling with their hearing, saw a local audiologist who referred the patient to myself. It's quite ironic because we use Play-Doh plasticine when we perform our clear wax training. We actually put this in the mannequin's ears and we ask our delegates to practice in. So it just uses on the suction probe, remove that, and the ear canal is completely clear now. The eardrum's fully visible. There's a bit of soft wax. Fortunately, there's no damage to the eardrum. It's all intact, healthy. And I'm just going to use a bit of suction, micro suction, and a Jobson horn just to mop up the entrance of the ear canal. So the patient's got very sticky, syrupy wax around the edge entrance. So I'm just going to use a Jobson horn in a moment. So Jobson horn, another name for that is a curette, and it's like a little spoon, angled spoon with a hollow centre, and we can use that to remove any soft wax laterally near the entrance. So we can put a bit of pressure on this part of the ear canal. This is the cartilaginous portion. I did weigh the Play-Doh. You'll see some still images at the end. So we measured it, we weighed it. Patient's hearing obviously got better. I think the child's got a history of putting things in their ear, the father was mentioning to me, so just explain to the child, just be careful, don't put anything in your ear, nothing's more than your elbow. It's fortunate on this occasion, but if you went any further it may have caused a bit of trauma, a bit of damage to the eardrum, which we certainly don't want. It's amazing what you find in people's ears. If you've seen, you should have a playlist, you would have seen it come up, which I don't think I've done that yet, but I'm going to create a playlist on my YouTube channel of all foreign bodies. But I've removed baby teeth, tooth combs, earrings that are stuck on the eardrum, pen cap, 22 hearing aid filters, so a twig, so nothing really surprises me. I've removed the only thing I haven't really removed is a dead insect, so I'm still waiting for that. So measured in just under 1 centimetre, so 8 millimetres, just over, and I also weighed it, which is 1/10 of a gram, so 100 milligrams. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and you're all keeping well and safe. Take care, bye.